Hi, hello. This is Miss Miles, and I would like to make a video regarding the ESL company that I am working since the pandemic. So matagal ko na talagang gustong gawin tong video, but anyway, let's just make it short. So because there were a lot of questions regarding this, what is the my ES company tinuturo ko kasi sometimes during nighttime, 12 midnight, ganun kasi ako nagtuturo time from 11 to 2 a.m. Tuturo ako sa Novakid. Pero if you are looking, this ESL company that I will be sharing is called Engu, and I will be sharing how I started it. Although 5 years ago pa yon, so I'm not sure if it's still the same yung kanilang application process. But as a newbie, no experience, okay, it's better if you try to apply in this, in their website. Yeah. So usually, mag-search lang naman kayo. So I'll try to share my screen. Where is it? One moment. Okay, here. Try ko siyang i-share. Oh, ayan. So, as you can see, okay. So, I hope you can see. So, ito lang ang gagawin ninyo. Usually, nag-search lang ako i-search nyo lang, Engo apply. Tapos, ganito na siyang lalabas. So, country of residence, nationality, Philippines, Philippines, first name, second name, email. Ito lang ang kailangan ninyo. Upload ID. Tapos, I certified that I'm over 18 years old, then continue. Tapos, may video test, language test, and they will probably send you through your email what's gonna happen next. Okay. So, what I like about Ingo is that it's very flexible. Okay. When I say flexible, you can choose your time. At saka ang kagandahan dito, more on Japanese students, Asians. So, you can choose your time, especially yung Japanese kasi 1 hour ahead lang sila sa atin. So, pwede tayo mag-morning, okay? For mommies like me na walang work, sa bahay lang. Now, their rate is like 100. Dati kasi nung umpisa ko parang 120 deduction pa ng tax and everything. Pero, okay lang yun sa akin. Ngayon, it's like, konti lang ang dagdag, 130, I'm not sure. But compared sa ibang ESL companies, I believe na mataas pa rin siya. Just imagine, mag-8 hours ka na parang ka nag-work. Di ba parang 800 pesos ka na in a day? And, di ba? I mean, that's goods na rin here in the Philippines. Anyway, yun nga, madami siyang pros and cons. Siguro one of the cons is yung salary medyo hindi masyadong mataas for us Filipinos. Other than that, para sa akin, okay lang naman yung application process before. I don't know now how it is, if they're strict on the application process. Okay. And if I were you, just do your best, di ba? Kasi they are accepting newbies, walang experience, like us, na nangangailangan ng work. So next is that, oh, sorry. Next, I thought I was recording. But anyway, so um actually now, hindi na ako masyadong dati talaga nagfo-full time ako, sobra. And I'm very satisfied talaga with my work. Kasi halimbawa, gusto ko 2 hours lang ako nag-work sa morning, tapos magpapahinga ako, tapos 2 hours na naman ulit. So I have time talaga with my family, with myself. Or halimbawa, gusto ko night lang ako, peak hours, yung ganun. So make sure, I know, hindi agad-agad magkakaroon. Pag bago ka pa, hindi kayo magkakaroon agad ng mga students. Pero try to open sa peak hours and ganun. So, para magkaroon kayo ng mga regular students. And next is, what I like here is, yun nga, um, after yung nag-VA ako ng mga 2 years, hindi ko na siya na ano, hindi na, nag-stop na ako. And then, I tried to email them kung pwede ko ba i-reactivate. And then, gladly, they reactivated it again. And I'm back to Engu. And I'm DMMIKY, and I'm so happy kasi nakita ko mga former kong regulars, and also hindi ako regular, hindi ako wala siyang specific na kailangan 20 hours part-time ka. Actually, minsan I mean, isang lesson lang ako a day or in a week. Basta just to keep it activated para hindi lang siya, alam niyo yun, for 3 months kasi na hindi ka nagtuturo. So, parang automatically na close nila yung account mo. So, for me, Engu is a really nice ESL company, and I can really vouch to that. And um, okay naman yung pagtuturo, yung kanilang everything is free. Okay, I mean, yung yung what I mean is yung kanilang topics, yung lessons, students na ang pipili. So, ang ages is from beginners to advanced. Alam niyo yun, dati talaga ayoko ng free talk. Alam niyo yun. Pero eventually, you'll get used to it. Alam niyo yun. You'll get used to chatting and talking as teachers, as mommies or whatever. Kailangan nyo maging chikadora. Alam niyo yun. And nowadays, there's chat GPT. So before the class, kung nakita niyo na gusto niyo ng free talk or whatever, just search ChatGPT kung ano ang magandang topics for free talk. Usually talaga sa students, sila din ang nagsasalita. Tayo ay, really, really, ganun lang tayo, di ba? So, ayun. What else? I think those are the highlights talaga with Engudi MMIKwa. I wish you all the best and all the luck. And again, if you need an experience, this is the best one. They are very reliable. Tapos, very easy sila ang nagustuhan ko rin sa kanila pag magka-cancel ng class, very easy. Although mababawasan ng ano mo, halimbawa 5 minutes magka-cancel ng class, mababawasan yung sa'yo, yung deductions from your salary, of course. Pero hindi ganun kalaki ang deductions, guys. Basta wag lang kayo mag-absent. Okay, syempre malaki yun. Kasi you have to pay the student kasi nag-wait ang student, diba? So, ayun, pag ayokong wala ako sa mood or whatever, or biglang walang ilaw, I can just, alam niyo yun, um, pwede kong i-cancel yung class anytime. And again, the deductions are not so big. So, I don't know about other companies. Basta ako talaga, since I was very satisfied with Enggo DMMIKwa. So, for newbies like you, try nyo na to. And good luck. If you have questions, just post or comment. Thank you. Bye.